Pohoiki, May 14th, 5:45 in the evening. Lava is that direction, headed this way at the last update. And it's beautiful down here. This might be the last time I get to see Pohoiki for quite a while, so I wanted to check it out. It's very quiet down here and beautiful. I'm gonna miss this place. If it gets cut off, taken, it would be really sad. Really quiet in Pohoiki right now. We're not even really supposed to be here. I'm sneaking in. See what I can see. It's beautiful. My friends are taking a dip. They love the surf down here. It's one of the few surf spots in the area. We're at Pohoiki right now. One of the few surf spots this side of the island. Actually, it's a very experienced surf spot. You have to be really good to surf here. And my friends are taking a dip because it could be the last time. The ramp is closed. Everything's eerily quiet here. Okay, we're at Pohoiki right now. Wow. Pohoiki is pretty empty, pretty barren. Nobody around. I don't even think we're supposed to be around. A lot of stray animals are left behind. We got a stray cat right here. We got a bunch of stray cats everywhere. We're at Pohoiki right now. We're sneaking by the guards. Is the coast clear? Ninja status. Lava ninja status. Sneaking around. We're clear. Clear. They didn't see us. Aha. They didn't see us. We snuck by.